Chapter 6 Introduction to QBasic. Every simple operation to complex mathematical calculations is performed by computers very easily. It happens only because computer follows a set of predefined instructions. This set of instruction is called a program. Basic. Basic is a programming language for beginners. It stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. BASIC was designed in 1964 by John George Kemeny and Thomas Eugene Kurtz. It is an easy and simple programming language to understand. GW-Basic, QBasic and QBasic are the popular versions of BASIC. QBasic. QBasic is a high-level programming language created by Microsoft. It is based upon the original language BASIC. It is very easy to learn and can be used to create utilities, games, demos, etc. It can help you develop your programming skills and enable you to learn other languages such as C, Visual Basic and many others quickly. Elements of QBasic. Let us learn about the elements that constitute a program in QBasic. Character set. Character sets are all those characters which are used to write a program in QBasic. The character set includes alphabets A to Z or small a to Z, numerals 0 to 9, special characters plus, minus, division, comma, semi-comma, dollar, hash, exclamation mark, question mark and etc. Keywords or reserved words. QBasic have a predefined words called keywords or reserved words. They have specific meaning in the program. A few QBasic keywords are rem, let, input, not, or, and, print, end. Constants. Constants are identities in a QBasic that do not change while executing the program. QBasic deals with two types of constants. Numeric constant. It refers to numbers. Example 56, minus 89, 45, etc. String or alphanumeric constant. The string constants refer to valid set of characters enclosed within quotes. Example, double quotes open, name, double quotes closed. Double quotes open, India, double quotes closed, etc. Variables. Variables are names given to a memory location where data is stored. Variables may be broadly classified as numeric variable. It stores only numbers. Arithmetic operations can be performed on them. For example, A is equal to 9. Alphanumeric or string variable. It stores any one character or a group of characters. Arithmetic operations cannot be used on them. These variables are generally suffixed with the dollar symbol to differentiate itself from numeric variables. For example, let A dollar is equal to double quotes open, India, double quotes closed. Rules for writing variables. A variable can be single letter or more than one letter but not more than 40, or can be digits but should always begin with a letter. Thus, B, A1, A2 are completely valid variables but 2A is invalid. There should not be any space between the variable name. For example, big name is a valid variable but big space name isn't. No punctuators or operators can be used with a variable. For example, a plus b is not a valid variable. Reserved words cannot be used as the name of a variable. QBasic operators. Operators are special symbols which generate a new value from one or more given values. Operators are of following types. Assignment operator. The symbol of assignment operator is equal to. The left-hand side is always a variable. The operator takes a copy of the value on the RHS and stores it in the variable on the LHS. Example of assignment operator. Meaning, a equal to 7. Store 7 in the variable a. ABC equal to PQR. Stores. Arithmetic operators. These operators work on numeric type data, constant or variable, and give a numeric type value. Arithmetic operator. Symbol. Example. Addition. 3 plus 2 will give result to 5. Subtraction. 8 minus 4 will give result to 4. Multiplication. 4 into 3 will give result to 12. Division. 25 by 5 will give result to 5. Exponent. 2 to the power 5 will give result to 32. Modulation. 12 mod 7 would result in 5. Operands are the quantities upon which the operators perform a calculation. For example, the expression 7 plus 6 indicates 7 and 6 are operands and plus is the operator. Hierarchy of operators. Hierarchy means the order of calculation. Whenever you have a mathematical expression having more than one operator, it is necessary to understand which operator will be evaluated first. The list below shows the order of calculation of arithmetic operators. Brackets have the maximum priority and will be evaluated first. Exponent gets the next priority. Division or multiplication, whichever comes first from the left to right, gets evaluated next. Mod gets the next priority. Addition or subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right, gets evaluated lastly. Thus, 4 plus bracket open 6 minus 2 bracket closed into 3 will result in 16. Relational operators. Relational operators are used for comparison. They are used to compare two quantities and give a logical value true -1 or false 0. Relational operator. Symbol. Example. Equal. 8 equal to 8, it gives result true or -1. Less than. 3 is less than 9, it gives result true or -1. Less than or equal to. 6 is less than or equal to 6, it gives result true or -1. Greater than. 8 is greater than 4, it gives result true or -1. Greater than or equal to. 9 is greater than or equal to 9, it gives result true or -1. Not equal to. 9 is not equal to 9, it gives result false. Logical operators. These operators are used to combine two or more relational expressions. Logical operator. Example. Result. Not. Not, bracket open, a is greater than 3, bracket closed. True if bracket open a is greater than 3, bracket closed is false and vice versa. Or bracket open a is greater than 3, bracket closed, or bracket open b is equal to 8, bracket closed. True if either or both bracket open a is greater than 3, bracket closed, and bracket open b is equal to 8, bracket closed is true. And bracket open a is greater than 3, bracket closed, and bracket open b is equal to 8, bracket closed, true if both bracket open a is greater than 3, bracket closed, and bracket open b is equal to 8, bracket closed are true. QBasic statements. A QBasic statement is a line of executable code. A statement tells the computer to carry out one action. The grammatical rule that a statement must follow is called the syntax of the statement. A statement violating the syntax will give an error when executed. Statements can be entered in any order, but the execution will be in ascending order of the statement numbers. Statements cannot be used as variable names. Let statement. It is an assignment statement and its function is to assign a value to a variable. The variable name is written to the right of the let statement, followed by an equal to sign and then the value. Syntax. Let variable name equal to constant or variable or expression. Example, let n equal to double quotes open, computer, double quotes closed. Variable n will store the string single quote open, computer, single quote closed. Let a2 equal to 30. Number 30 will be sorted in the variable a2. Print statement. This statement is used to display the output on the screen. The computer executes a print statement working from left to right. It displays numeric value, expressions, variables and messages. The print statement separates items by using commas and semicolons. It prints exactly what is given within quotes. Syntax. Print variable or constant or expression. Example, print x. The value stored in variable x will be printed on the screen. Print double quotes open x double quotes closed. Character x will be printed on the screen. Print 4 plus 2. 6 will be printed on the screen. Input statement. The input statement is a variation on the let statement. In a let statement, the value given to a variable is fixed and you cannot change the value of the variable in that particular program. The input statement gives a choice to the user to enter any value, making the program interactive. The input statement is used to accept values from the user into variables and use these values for evaluation in a program. The variables in an input statement are separated by commas. Syntax. Input message, semicolon, variable variable. Example, input, double quotes open, enter name and age, double quotes closed, semicolon, n, comma, age, or input A, B, C. End statement. Every program must have an end statement which is written as the last statement in a program. There should be only one end statement given in a program as it signifies the termination of a program. Syntax, end. Stop statement. Although this may appear to be identical to the end statement, the stop statement makes the computer halt the execution of a process at that particular point where it has been encountered. There can be more than one stop statement in a single program. Syntax: stop. Rem statement. The rem statement is used to give remarks to a program. It is like a program heading. It does not take part in the execution of a program and just give better documentation of a program. Syntax: rem message. Example: rem asterisk asterisk. This is a program to add two numbers. Asterisk asterisk. CLS statement. This statement is used to clear the screen. Syntax: CLS. Starting QBasic. To write QBasic program, you need to download QBasic.exe. You can download it from the internet. QBasic.exe, however, will not run on Windows 7. See appendix at the end of the book to learn how to run QBasic.exe on Windows 7. You will get the following QBasic window. Save a program. Click on File menu and select Save. The Save dialog box open. Or press Alt plus F to select File menu and then press S. Give a name to your program in the File name box and press Enter. The file will be saved with extension .bas. Make sure that file should not have more than 8 characters. Quick review. QBasic stands for Quick Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. .bas is an extension of a QBasic file. The character set of QBasic consists of alphabets, numerals, and special characters. Keyword is a specific command used for programming. Variable is a name assigned to a memory location. Constant is a number having a fixed value throughout the program. Let is an assignment statement used to assign a value to a variable. Print is a command to display results on the screen. Input is a statement to enter a value from keyboard. End is a statement that terminates a QBasic program. Stop is a statement that halts the execution of a program at the particular point where it is given. Rem is a statement to write remarks in a program. CLS is used to clear the screen. Operators are symbols or commands that are used to evaluate an expression. Arithmetic operators are used to evaluate a mathematical expression. Relational operators are used for comparison of two quantities. Logical operators are used to join two or more relations. Bugs are errors that occur during the execution of a program, and the process of removing is called debugging.